Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Large Mutant Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Let's start with a small curve, and then angle it down for the nose bridge. Now underneath, let's draw a curve on both sides, and then bring it down to a point in the center. Next, let's hop up and add the eyes. Next to the nose, let's draw a line across on both sides. Then let's draw a large curve up and back down for the shape of the eyes. Then inside at the bottom, let's draw a circle. And then add a small black dot inside. Next, under each eye, let's add two curved lines. Next, let's hop up and let's add the eyebrows. Let's start next to the nose and let's draw a curve up on both sides. Then for the end, let's bring it out and down. Then thicken each eyebrow up. And lastly, in the center here, let's draw a curved line down on both sides. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start under the nose and let's draw a curve across. Then for the ends, let's curve it out and back down. Now let's angle it down towards the center. Next, let's hop up next to the sides of the nose and let's draw a curve out. Now let's move to the sides of the mouth and let's draw a curve. And then another curve underneath the mouth. Next, let's move inside and let's add the teeth. Let's start with a curve across, then bring it down on both sides. Now let's draw a curve across the center. Now for the teeth, let's start in the center and let's draw a curve out to the left and on the right. Then draw two curves on both sides. Now for the bottom row, let's start in the center and let's draw a rounded square shape down and on the right. And the same thing going out. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's draw the shape of the head. From the side lines we drew earlier, let's curve it down. And the same from the other side to form the chin. Then let's hop up and let's draw curves up on both sides. And then a wavy line across the top to close it off. And that's it for the shape of the face. Now let's move to the sides and let's add the headphones. Let's start on the sides of the head and let's draw a curve out at the top and at the bottom. Then let's close off the end with a curve. And then let's add one more inside and on the right. Now at the end, let's draw another rectangle shape and add a small circle inside. Next, on top, let's draw a curve up on both sides and then a curve across the top. Now let's hop back to the sides and let's draw a bent line to create a small square shape. Then 2 lines up. Then a small rectangle. And then 2 curves across to finish it off. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. We'll start with 2 lines down for the neck. And then a longer curve across the bottom. Next, on top of this line, let's start next to the neck and let's bring it out on both sides. Then curve it down. And one more curve across the bottom to connect the sides. Next, underneath, let's draw a large U-shaped curve. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the shirt. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down and in on both sides. Then let's add a curved rectangle underneath for the belt. Now let's hop inside the shirt and let's draw 2 lines down the center. And then inside the belt, let's draw a set of lines down and then a square in the middle for the belt buckle. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start by bringing it out and curving it down. And the same on the right. Now underneath, let's draw an angled line out. And then follow the same arm curve underneath. Now for the ends, let's bring both of the lines down on both sides. And then close off the end of each sleeve. And lastly for the shirt, let's add one more curve at the end of each sleeve like this. Now underneath, let's add the hands. Let's start with a curve in and back out on both sides for the thumbs. Then let's curve it down, around, and back up to close off each hand. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move back in and draw the legs. Let's start under the belt and let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right. Then underneath, let's draw a set of curved lines down. And the same thing from the outside. And now let's close off the bottom of each pant leg. Now let's add the feet at the bottom. Underneath, let's start with a curve down for the back of the shoe. Then for the top, let's curve it out and down, and the same on the right. And now a line across the bottom of each one. And that's it for Large Mutant Skibidi Toilet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!